This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 6, What to Present and How Part I. Presentation is a formal, systematic way of communicating to an audience, unlike spontaneous dialogue. Effective presentations require thorough preparation, including organizing the content, considering voice and language, incorporating body language, and utilizing visuals while adhering to time constraints and leveraging tools like slides. The content and style of a presentation must be tailored to the specific audience, taking into account factors such as their culture, age, and the occasion. Ambiguity should be avoided to ensure clear communication, and the presenter must anticipate and address the audience's needs, wants, and level of technical knowledge, as there may be gaps between the intended message and what is effectively conveyed. Structuring a presentation involves carefully considering its purpose, components, and organization. The introduction, body, and conclusion must be integrally linked to create a coherent narrative. Presentation styles can vary, such as using rhetorical questions, starting with the conclusion, or following a routine order. Effective planning involves outlining, mind mapping, storyboarding, considering the flow and timing, and creating summaries that logically connect causes, effects, prevention strategies, and communication approaches. Voice quality, volume, and proper aids are important, with voice acting as a substitute for punctuation and emphasis, while pacing strategizes timing and skipping points as needed, varying pace, volume, and intonation, and giving breaks for dramatic effect. Simple words, avoiding jargons, working on pronunciation, and practicing before presenting are key guidelines. As formal planning and preparation, considering audience context and cultural nuances, organizing content flow through mind maps and outlines, using voice for emphasis by varying pace and intonation, and ensuring transitions and flow between points aid cohesion in presentations. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.